Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to obtain Chef at Sea title in Heartopia during the sea fishing event. Okay, first of all guys, you need to participate in a daily sea fishing event in Heartopia, and to obtain the title, you need to be the first player to eat 3 food items while on the boat. Okay, I'm already at the boat, so I'm going to immediately open up my backpack and eat 3 food. Oops, sorry. I'm going to eat this food. We need to be very quick, especially when there are a lot of players in the event. But for now, this event is only mine. I do not invite the other players. Okay, I've already eaten 3 foods, guys. So I hope that I can obtain the Chef at the Sea event. Okay, now I'm going to continue my fishing event, and I'll be right back after the fishing event is completed, because we can see the title after the event is over. Okay. Okay guys, and finally the sea fishing event is over, and as you can see, I got Chef at Sea title. And this title is very useful for unlocking hidden achievement. If I'm not mistaken, it's called Sea Monster. And we need to obtain all the titles from the sea fishing event in Heartopia. Okay, and that's how we can obtain Chef at the Sea title in Heartopia during the sea fishing event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!